Okay, so this is the independent project for Chapter 2 of Word. So we'll enable editing. Step number 3 is change the theme to integral. Okay, and the theme color to red. Step number 4, change the top, bottom, left, and right margins to 0.75. Okay, here's the margins, 0.75. Select the entire document and change the font size to 12. Control A, select the entire document and the font size to 12. That was step number 5. Step number 6, format the title of the document. Select the title of the document. And apply heading 1. Open the font dialog box. Apply all caps. And change the font size to 16. Change the before paragraph spacing to 0. Add a bottom border to the title. Using the border drop down list. Okay, step number 7, apply and modify the heading to style and delete blank lines. Apply the heading to style to each of the bold section headings. You could do it this way, or you could do with the format painter. I never have a whole lot of luck with the format painter, so sometimes it's just easier to do it this way, but it's up to you. In the end, the result's going to be the same. Okay, select the first section heading, emergency telephone numbers, emergency telephones, blue phones, change the before paragraph spacing to 12, and the after paragraph spacing to 3. Apply the small caps effect. Update header 2 to match selection. Okay. Turn on show hide. It's already on mine. Delete all the blank lines in the document. So get rid of that one. That one. That one. That one. That one. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. Okay. Okay, step number 8, select the bulleted list in the first section and change it to a numbered list. So select all of these, up here, change it to a numbered list. Okay, step number 9, apply numbering formatting changes using the Format Painter. Apply numbering to the text below the section headings in the following sections: assaults, fights, or emotional disturbances. Okay, power failure. You can use the Format Painter if you want. I'm gonna just do it like this. Either way, I think the result's the same. And bomb threat. Okay. Select the numbered list in the bomb threat section. Okay, it's already opened the paragraph dialog box. Set the before and after paragraph spacing to point. Deselect the don't add space between paragraphs. It's already deselected. Click OK. Use the Format Painter to copy this numbered format to each of the other numbered lists. So that's what I need to do. I need to select all of the text I want changed. Like that. And then that, and then I think there's the first one up here. Okay, so there we go. Reset each numbered list so it begins with a 1. Okay, it already does that. Oops, no they don't. Notice that they've changed, so what I have to do is go down here. Oops, let me click this off of here. Go down here and say reset at 1. Right click, reset at 1. Right click, restart at 1. Right click, restart at 1. Right click, restart at 1. So there we go. Okay. Step 10, customize a bulleted list and use Format Painter. Select the text in the accident or medical emergency. Okay, create a custom bulleted list. and use a double right pointed triangle symbol. Web dings character code 56. 6. Web dings 56, so that's the double right pointed triangle. And then click OK. OK, so see it made the double. Open the paragraph dialog box. Confirm that the left is 0.25 inches and hanging indent. Hanging is 0.25. Set the before and after paragraph spacing to 2.22. And deselect the don't add. It's already deselected. Click OK. Use the paragraph painter to apply this bulleted list to the following text in the following sections. So double click Format Painter. We want tips to professors and staff. Let's highlight all of this, and it automatically uses the same formatting. In response to students, select all of this. There we go. Step number 11. Change indent and paragraph spacing and apply a style. Select the text below the emergency telephone number locations. So first, I've got to go back to this. So that way it unselects Format Painter. Go in and choose all of that. Set a 0.25 left indent. Set the before and after paragraph spacing to 2.22. Confirm that the don't add space between paragraphs is unchecked. Okay, click OK. Apply the book style to each of the telephone locations in the emergency telephone location, and I want to select just the location, which is this, and say book title, and then I'm going to cheat a little bit by using the Format Painter. Oops. Double click that, select all of that, library, I didn't get the L's there, you got to be careful with that, and then math and science, cafeteria, and the gym. Okay. Step 12. Change the left indent and paragraph spacing and set a tab stop with a dot leader. Select the text below the emergency phone numbers. Okay, get the Format Painter off. Select the text below. Okay. Open the paragraph dialog. Okay. And set a left indentation of 0.25. Set the before and after paragraph spacing to 2 point. And confirm that the don't add space is not selected. open the tabs dialog box, set a right tab stop at 7, and use a dot leader 2. Press the tab before the telephone numbers, after the space on each of those lines. Phone numbers line at the right margin. So let me go in here, press tab, back that out, try to go before the space, tab, nope, something's wrong. Okay, let me back out of this, select all of this again, paragraph, tabs, oops, I forgot to do the right, so there we go. Now let me put the tab space there and press tab, there we go. Tab, move down, over, tab, down, over, tab, down, over, tab, down, over, tab, down, over, tab. Okay, step number 13, apply the intense reference style to the paragraph headings in the accident or medical emergency section. Life-threatening emergencies and minor emergencies. Apply the intense reference style. So I'll select this and let's go back and see intense reference. Okay, intense reference. Okay, step 14, use the replace feature to replace all instances of phone 911 with call 911. Use replace, find what, so we'll put in phone 911 and replace with call 911 with bold font style. Replace all. We made 0 replacements. So yes, okay, we made 2 replacements. Okay, we made 3 total. Okay, that's good. So let's close that. Let's find the 3 places where it says call 911. Okay, here's one. It's highlighted. And we'll put bold, call 911, bold, call 911, bold. Okay. Okay, all we have to do is select down here, add a footer, and use the ruler to move the center tab stop 3.5. So we take this, move it right there, that's 3.5, and the right tab stop to 7. So here, out to here. Insert the title document property field on the left. So down here, we will document property. We'll do the document title, left. Use the right arrow key to deselect the document property field. Tab to the center and insert the company. Document header, footer, use the right arrow to deselect. Press the tab. Insert, do not type the date. And set it to update manually. So, let's see, insert date time, and we want to use this format, and we want to say update automatically. There we go. Let me try that again. Date, time. Okay. All right. Change the font size of all the text in the footer to 10 point. Okay. Add a top border to the text in the footer using the borders drop down list. Okay. All right, I'm kind of curious why the date isn't showing up. Okay, I may come back to that in a minute. Okay, step 16, use the border and shading dialog box to insert a page border on the entire document. Use shadow setting and solid line style. Borders and shading dialog box. Use the shadow setting. The solid line, it's already selected. Select the fifth color on the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dark red accent 1. 1 point. Line width. Okay, center the entire document vertically. Use the page setup dialog box. Page setup. And we want to center the entire document. There we go. Center. Okay. View the document in side by side. Okay. And that's it. Now, Okay, a couple corrections is this line needs to be moved, and then still having trouble down here. Page. Okay, for some reason it is not showing up.